Hello everyone. So today I want to share with you guys 5 amazing products that are worth spending money on. These are products that I personally never wanted to spend $1 on extra, and I would always buy the cheaper version of, or not even think about buying these products, because I said to myself, I don't need that. I don't need the extra, expensive ones. The cheap one does a great job by itself. And to my surprise, it proved me wrong. So I wanted to share with you guys these 5 products, not 10, 5 products that are worth the dinero. So first and foremost, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. So my first product of this great list is something that I would always get the cheap, crappy version of, and I said to myself, I don't think that buying the expensive one is really going to make a difference. They all look the same, so why are they going to be any different? So to my surprise, I coughed up the money and I bought myself a better pair of tweezers, and these are the Tweezerman Tweezers, which Tweezerman is known, I'm sure, around the world. And baby hair is bothering me. Side note, baby hair, go away. So I said to myself, you know what? Let me give this a shot. Let's check it out. There must be a reason why everyone buys Tweezerman, right? Because I would always go to Walgreens or TJ Maxx and get the cheap random tweezers. And I would have a hard time tweezing my, I have very little baby sparse hairs. I'm not one of those blessed people who has like thick hair that I could just pull it out and it's just one and done. So this really works. It needed all those reallys because it really is life-changing compared to the cheap-ass version of tweezers. I mean, Tweezerman has a name for a reason, and I learned that very late in life. So better late than never. If you're not on the Tweezerman train, I suggest that you get on it. Yes, it is a hefty price for tweezers, but I'm telling you, you are going to be so happy and so thinking to yourself, why the hell did I not wait this long to buy Tweezerman Tweezers? And these are awesome. I love them. I love how they have this extra pointy point, and it just makes it a whole lot easier to do that annoying task that nobody wants to do anyway. So Tweezerman Tweezers. So the next item is something that pretty much every girl uses for the most part, and something that I always had trouble liking and using because I would always get the cheaper version of it and it would not perform right, and I would just give up and waste my money on the cheaper version. So I said to myself, sorry, there's like a hair in my face, forgive me. So I would say to myself, I don't think I want to spend extra money on this. But finally, I said to myself, let's try the more expensive version because there must be a reason why everyone gets this. So I finally decided to buy expensive, more higher end eyelash curler, and it really is life-changing. It stopped pinching my skin, and it stopped, and it gave me a really good curl that held, unlike the cheap-ass version that did not do any of that, and I would just always pinch my eyelashes, my skin. So I got the Shisedo eyelash curler from TJ Maxx. I actually got this for like 15 bucks at TJ Maxx, so I didn't have to pay a high price for them. And that was great. I actually did buy the Kevin Aquan ones from Sephora, but I lost them. I don't know where the hell they went, but I was choosing between the Shiseido and the Kevin Aquan, and I ended up buying the Kevin Aquan ones. But I feel like these did a better job compared to those. These don't pinch me at all, and those did pinch me a little bit. And I feel like the curl of the Shisedo, is it Shisedo or Shisedo? I don't know. So whatevs. these do a better job. So definitely worth investing in a good pair of eyelash curler. So third item on my list is a beauty blender soap, like their soap, the beauty blender soap. So this is the pretty blue one that looks like marble. So I have a new beauty blender, and this is the only thing that has gotten it super duper duper clean like this. I mean, it's literally spotless. Actually, I'm lying because there's one spot, I don't know what that is, but this won't come off. But my beauty blender has never seen better days. You see? And you see how I use it. Obviously, it's not a brand new beauty blender. And this is the only thing that has cleaned it this well. You would think to yourself that, hey, let's try different soaps to get the same result. And I've tried different soaps, and it did not give me the same result as the beauty blender soap. So if you are debating spending money on the beauty blender soap, if you do want your nude beauty blender spotless practically, I would say 99.99% spotless, I would suggest getting their beauty blender soap. Definitely made a difference. I tried Dove soap. I tried random organic soap that I got from Walgreens. I tried regular hand wash soap. I tried shampoo. And nothing compared to the beauty blender soap. So that is another item that I would highly recommend buying. Even though it's expensive soap, I mean, who doesn't want their beauty blender extra clean, you know? So 2 more items left. So the third item is something that helps you clean your makeup brushes. And if no one enjoys cleaning their makeup brushes, so I would take my makeup brushes, and I don't know about you, but I would just take them on my hand and I would swirl them, hoping everything comes off. And not everything would come off, and I would just, you know, do my best with my hand and just clean it that way. And not everything would come off, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. We move on to the next brush. So I said to myself, is it worth getting one of these? If you don't know what this is, it's one of those express brush cleaning mats from Sigma. So I have seen the generic version of these, like random at, like I said, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They do make a regular, you know, like a replica of this, like a knockoff. So I don't know how those are, but I assume they would be the same because it's plastic with ridges on it. I would assume it would be the same, but I am very happy with my Sigma mat. It has lots of different textures, and it really gets my brushes super duper clean. It makes them super white, you know, and clean, and all the gook is out, and it really speeds up the process. It takes me forever to wash my brushes, and I hate doing it, but this really helps out. It's my sidekick to clean my brushes, and it does a really good job. So I do highly recommend this. Spending the extra dough on a cleaning mat for your brushes will help you tremendously, as I have learned from experience. So last but not least, another item. My last item for the day is something that is for your mouth. And I feel like this is not talked about at all. I don't know, call me crazy, but I'm kind of obsessed with cleaning my tongue. And I feel like not everyone uses this, but this is called the Orabrush. Looks like this, Orabrush. And it is a tongue scraper. So what you do is, as you can see, it has like little bristles. You scrape your tongue and you clean it off, and it does a beyond amazing job. You won't have any more gook left on your tongue. You will not have any nasty bad breath, and you're gonna feel extra, extra clean. You're gonna be like, how the hell did I live without this product all my life? Because the feeling of a clean tongue, I know, it sounds a little weird, but it is so good. I feel like beauty is inside out, you know? So you gotta clean your insides and have fresh breath, and don't be killing people with your nasty breath. So this will really, really help you if you have a bad breath issue, or if you just are a clean freak like me and you just want to scrape everything off your tongue and get everything extra clean. This I highly recommend. I feel like it should be hand in hand with your toothbrush, and I do it in the morning and I do it at night, and it gives me a sparkling clean tongue. So you can get them from Amazon. They used to sell it at Winn-Dixie, but a lot of Winn-Dixies are closed. It's a grocery store that we had around. But if you do have a Winn-Dixie, I have seen them there, and that is where I got mine. So these are the 5, was it 5? Yes, sorry, just want to make sure. These are the 5 products that I highly, highly recommend spending the extra money on, and buying the higher end of these products like the tweezers and the eyelash curler and the soap is definitely worth the money, and it will change your life in an easier way. I mean, in the beauty way, you know what I mean? So get them while they last, people. And so I wanted to share this because if you're anything like me, there's certain things I just don't want to spend money on, and these products were the things that I didn't want to spend money on, but definitely worth it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Give me a thumbs up if you like my list. And I highly, highly recommend you guys grabbing these items and really seeing the difference for yourself. So I'll definitely see you guys next time, and take care. Bye.